Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today we are doing our Brewed Beauties collab, and today's theme is a Valentine's Day look. I want to thank the host, Alex, who is Makeup Addict 1992 is her channel. I'll link it down below, for inviting me and hosting this collab. The other ladies in the collab are Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation and Barbara from Barbara's Beauty Bag. So with that said, if you hear a bunch of noise, it's my cat acting like a lunatic. She's messing with the door, but yet when I tried to make her stay out, she just cried at the door. But she got it open and now she's gone. Okay, so today's look is, like I said, a Valentine's Day theme. I want to try to make a more soft look, not so wild and crazy. And I think I'm going to do pink, white, and maybe red. We'll see. I'm going to use Jawbreaker because it has a few different shades of pink. And it does have a nice red and it has a nice white in it. So I'm going to go with that. So I'm sure all of you all are familiar with Jawbreaker. I'm going to go in with Virgin, which is the white matte color, top row, first color. And I'm going to go all over the lid with that just to give me a base. I use CoverGirl Simply Ageless foundation in the color Honey. The primer in light, or the primer and the concealer in light, all CoverGirl Simply Ageless. And some e.l.f. blush. It's the, just says blush palette. And it's a bitch to get open. I don't know why. And I used that pink. I didn't go real heavy on the blush. My hair is still wet, so it's really curling up. I don't normally celebrate Valentine's Day. I don't know why. It's just something that's never really interests me. And I don't, like, expect my husband to. He does, though. I mean, he always gets me something for Valentine's Day. But it's not something we generally I don't know. It's not something we generally celebrate. Alright, I'm going in with bubblegum, and I'm going in real light. And I want to just put that in the crease. Kind of looks purple on here, but it's pink. And bring it down a little bit. Like I said, I'm just hitting it real light. I want to make a look that, like, anyone can wear and not feel like it's too bright. You know, not a real wild and crazy look. See now? In natural light, it looks really pink to me. Let me turn the light down a little bit. Okay. But you're getting the gist, right? up a little bit. One thing I like about Jeffrey's makeup is you can blend and it doesn't go away. It will blend down a little, but if you want a lighter look, you gotta be light-handed, because once it's on there, it's on there. Okay, so we're gonna switch colors. And I'm gonna go into that, to Jawbreaker, which is it's a shimmer. And I'm gonna use a different brush. That brush is too thick. I am still waiting on that damn brush cleaner machine to come. I'm trying to hold off because I want to, you know, really use it and see how well it actually works. Alright. Trying to keep this short, guys. Alright, so I think I'm going to go with white. Like a sparkly white there. Like doing it backwards. Like instead of having the mats on the lid and the sparkle above. This is a really small brush. I don't know what that noise is my cat is making. She's back now again. It actually sounded like she burped. Alright. Look at the regular mirror. I don't know, that's not really showing up, is it? Let's go a little heavier. That's better. I use the Milani eyeshadow primer. Okay. I'm gonna go back in with bubble gum. I'm sorry I'm so quiet today. Today is a very dreary day. I've been up since the crack of dawn, and it has not gotten any lighter. This is, I mean, the ring light's on. This is what, without the light on. It's so dim. So, Saturday, it was 15 degrees. That was our high. And then yesterday, it was 56 degrees. Warm and sunny and beautiful. And then today, it's like 34 and raining and very dark. Like, just, okay, so what are we thinking here? So, I think I'm going to go in with licorice, which is a red, and just deepen up like give a little depth in the corner. I just had that brush in my hand. So anyway, if I seem a little off, that's why. It's like, I need sun. I'm being very light-handed with this. As we all know, the reds in these palettes can be overwhelming. I'm just doing a little touch and I'm going to blend that up. Like I said, I want it to be something that everybody's comfortable wearing. I mean, I know I'm not always comfortable wearing red eyeshadow. Sometimes I just think it makes you look bruised. And I have more of an olivey skin tone. So reds don't always look good on me. I don't mind them though. I mean, I did that other red eye look and it came out pretty good. Alright, so there's that. Let me get my blending brush. I'm going to just lightly tap into that pink. Just a little touch of red there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Not used to having my lid so light. Kind of weird, but okay, we're going with it, right? We are going with it. I mean, I think this is something, if you were going out for Valentine's Day dinner, that you'd be able to go with. I'm going in Cotton Candy, which is a shimmer for the inner corner. Which is not showing up real well. There we go. Just a little sparkle there. And a little more of that jawbreaker, just lightly up here. I didn't do my brows. And I'm probably not going to. It's not something I ever did a lot. But back in the day, I did have nice brows. I wasn't one to over pluck them. Alright, where'd that blending brush go? So that's what we got so far. I'm dipping back into bubblegum. Just a little touch. I think that looks good. It's a different look anyway. Alright, I'm going to pause you and put some eyeliner on. Figure out what I want to wear with this. Probably a black eyeliner, I'm thinking. And put my mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I used the e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara, and that's one coat. I'm digging this. I'm digging it. I usually have a hard time, for whatever reason, my eyelashes on this one eye want to clump just in the center, no matter how many times I curl them and all that. And this time, I've been going back and forth between this e.l.f. Lash It Out Loud and the ColourPop Level Up Lengthening Mascara. But this, I just used the e.l.f. So I took a tiny bit of that red and brought it down. And I used a lavender eyeliner by ColourPop. I can never see the color because it's written in white. So that's the color I used. But I added a little bit more blush. So this is the eye look. I think it's doable. It's, wearable. I'm going to use that Animal Crossing, the ColourPop, and this one's an apple. These are just like, kind of, I don't know. They have color to them, but just not real heavy. And they look like that. It's from the Animal Crossing. I assume this is apple because there's apples on it. So anyway, that is my Valentine's Day look. And once again, thank you, Alex, for inviting me from Makeup Addict 1992. Please watch their videos. This is the Brewed Beauties collab, and you should be seeing this on Wednesday, February 8th at 1 o'clock. So, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more content like this. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.